How to schedule maintenance reminders in BMW Connected Drive. In this video, I will show you the easy steps, so make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Download and log in to the BMW Connected Drive app on your phone. Step 2. Select your linked vehicle and then tap on car status or maintenance. Step 3. Here you will find the options to add service intervals like oil change, tire rotation, or brake inspection. And then step 4, turn on the notifications so that you will receive alerts on your phone or in your car when maintenance is needed. Step 5, these reminders will also sync with your BMW's onboard iDrive system and you will see them directly on your car's display. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.